Meghalaya Legislator Tongkar today expressed concern over the manhandling of employees of St. Xavier School at Umoy in West Khasi Hills district. Speaking to the media, Tongkar has said that he has requested the authorities of the school not to close down the school as this will affect the careers of the students. He however said that the law should take its own course of action to punish all those people involved in the incident. Tongkar has condemned the incident and also expressed solidarity with all the employees of the school who have been beaten up by vested interested persons.
I want to give to you this evening is about that attack that has happened at the college Umoy, where one of the workers died. I want to express my sincere concern, and I want to say I'm very sorry for that incident. As a legislator of that area of Maukarwat, which Umoy falls under my constituency, I'm very sorry for that incident that has taken place. And I want to condemn that incident. I want to condemn people involved in that incident. And I'm very worried about the plan that we have, big plan to promote tourism in our area. We are so blessed by the natural beauty in the entire Maukarwat area. And we are planning, along with the government, with Chief Minister, we had numbers of times talk how to promote tourism in Maukarwat area. But I'm very sorry to see these things happen, and it will discourage people to come to that side, to come to our side when this thing happen. So once again, I want to appeal the people of Maukarwat, the youth of the area, not to take the law in their own hand. I hope that the person who involved, they will not be happy now, and maybe they will regret when they know that what they have done, it has brought the killing of the people. So I want to advise to the youth of the area, to the youth of the state of Meghalaya, not to take any action when you are so much angered. It is best if you don't take any action when you are at the point of anger, because most of the time when you take action with anger, most of the time people regret what they took decision. It's better to cool down yourself and then think twice before taking any decision. It will be best thing if anybody who have problem to come up and talk and solve that problem, rather than taking the decision to take law in their own hand and to beat somebody. It is wild. It's wild at the present age, at the present generation, to see that people are still beating people like you build an animal. It will not look nice. It's not appreciable to anybody. Of course, we welcome talk, we welcome agitation, we welcome discussion with anybody. There is no problem to talk with anybody, but institution to reconsider again from their decision that they have decided to stop all the work that is going on, and even the college now is closed. We don't know till when they will have the courage to reopen the college and to resume the work again. I want to appeal to the institution, to the governing body, to the college as a whole, that they should reopen it again, and the people of Umoy, people of that area, they are all with them. We are all with them. We will support them, and we will try to see that the college would run smoothly and there will be no more problem and now in the future. So that I appeal to the management to reconsider their decision to stop the work. Of course, we understand the concern that they can stop for a few days, but they should not stop for long, because that it will affect the student studying in that college. And most of the students, they are from that area, so that's why I'm concerned So I request once again to the governing body, to the authority of that college, of that university, to reconsider and reopen it again. And I wish that this thing had happened to draw the attention of people, to work together and to support this college. It is very the need of that area, because in that area it's in the rural areas, and there's no good schools, there's no good college in that area, especially because it's a bit far from Mokorwat. So there's no good school, there's no good college, and people of that area, they are very happy when they know that that college has come to that area, and they are fully supported. That's why we will just ignore for few section of people who are doing these unwanted things. I appeal to that college authority to just ignore that and come back to the. I will not agree with that the government's failure, especially for that particular accident, because what happened actually, those miscreants come at night. I don't think they have checked any papers. And from the statement given by the Father Friday, parish priest, he has stated that they have done all the formalities, they have got the work permit, they have got all the documents that are required by the state of Meghalaya. So we can understand that those workers, they have got everything, but the only thing is that those people who went at night, I don't think they checked even the documents, because I was told that they just go and clear out. I think they have not checked anything.